Hello, I'm AJ Shon. It's so nice to see you again. In today's lesson, we will learn about intonation. What is intonation? Simply, intonation is how we change our voice as we speak. Our tone can rise or it can fall. It really depends on what we're trying to say. When we speak, we don't only communicate with words, but with our facial expression, our body language, and our vocal patterns. If your face looks sad, the listener will know you're sad. If you shrug your shoulders, the listener will know that you don't understand. If you change the tone of your voice, you can communicate all sorts of different meanings. Let's talk a little bit about rising and falling inflection. Remember, inflection is the change in pitch on intonation. Falling inflection usually indicates that you have finished a thought. For example, yesterday I went to the mall. Did you hear how my voice fell at the end of the sentence? That means the thought I was communicating had ended. Listen again. Yesterday I went to the mall. Okay, now I will add a rising inflection which will tell the listener that I still have something more to say. Listen. Yesterday I went to the mall to buy a new computer. Did you hear the rising inflection when I said to the mall? And I used a falling inflection to finish the thought to buy a new computer. Listen again. Yesterday, I went to the mall to buy a new computer. Here's some practice. Please repeat. And focus on your intonation. Is your voice rising or is it falling? Today, I will call my mother and give her the good news. She will be so happy to hear from me. I will tell her about my new job, my new salary, and that I'm buying a new house. Falling and rising inflections are also very important when asking questions. Questions that begin with who, what, where, when, why, how, and which are spoken with a falling inflection. Please repeat. And focus on how your voice falls at the end of the question. Who is our new teacher? What time is it? Where is the party? When can I see you again? Why did she do that? How do you make pad thai? Which do you prefer? Yes, no questions are different. They have a rising inflection. Please repeat. And focus on how your voice rises at the end of the question. Do you like action movies? Did you go to the party? Is her name Rachel? Will the exam be on Friday? Can you help me? Are you excited about learning English? Am I coming with you? Do you think it'll rain? Would you like another coffee? Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC, that's Dhammakaya Elite Language Center, in Wat Dhammakai, Pathum Thani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or for an online experience with other students. To sign up, you can click the link below. Thank you.